Hi everyone, welcome back. In my previous session, I gave the session how to transfer the question bank from one teacher to another teacher. In this session, I am going to talk about how to transfer the question bank or any activity from one semester to another semester. Suppose you are a teacher, you handle some session in the previous semester. Would you like to transfer the activity or the question bank from previous semester to current semester? Okay, from one semester to another semester. One semester in the sense previous semester to current semester. So now take this example. So that previous semester, academic year 2019-20 semester to spring, you handle the 3 courses, and the current semester, let us take the example. Now we are handling for 2 courses. If you see this example, CS 500, IST 151, IST 50, there are 3 courses there in the previous semester, and this semester IST 51, CS 500, 2 courses. If it's CS 500, this course and the current semester, previous semester and the current semester, both are same, right? Now, in the previous semester, you prepared the set of question bank, okay? The same question bank, if you want to use it this semester as well, okay? And you are not, even though we are not going to repeat the question, but we are our purpose, just we are going to use the same question bank for the current semester. Once it is imported, now after that we are going to add some more questions. For an example, in the previous semester you have 25 questions. Current semester you are going to add 10 more questions. So 25 plus 10, 35 questions will come. In the next semester, so you in your hand there are 25 questions. So next semester you will add some more questions. So you are going to accumulate the question bank from semester by semester by semester wise. Okay. So we have only one question bank. Now we are going to increase our questions in that question bank. How to do this one? How to transfer the previous semester questions to the current semester? Okay. Now this I directly entered into our Moodle part. Now this is take the example, and this is the one teacher course. So in this semester, the teacher is teaching the in progress. The teacher is teaching this course CS 500, and now the teacher want to transfer some question bank or any one activity from the previous semester to this semester. So this is the summer semester. See this one, this is the summer semester. Now what we need to do, first of all, we need to go to the past course. Okay, there we need to export the question, then after that we need to import the question into the current semester, right? Go to the past course. Now in the past course, this is the one past course teacher already handled. From the past course, teacher want to transfer the one set of activity or the question back. Now just enter the here. Now go here. Now here want to transfer. Now some teachers already have some document. Just go to in that gear symbol, go to more. There just go down, same process in the what we have seen in the previous demo, same, and go to the export. Okay, go to the export. Now immediately it will ask for the what you want to export. If you want to export, if you know that the category, directly press. Otherwise, go to the category, first double check it. Here, see here, in that category spring 2020 question bank, there are 13 questions are there in the spring. This question bank only we are going to transfer to the our current semester. Okay, this is the same teacher, not the different, the same teacher going to transfer from the previous semester questions to the current semester. And the questions, if you want check the questions and check the questions here, how many questions are there? Spring 2020 there are 13 questions are there. Just go to the export. Now that question bank only same, choose the Moodle XML. Which one do you want to transfer? Choose one. Now I am going to transfer spring 2020 question bank 13. Just all keep it the check condition, export the questions. Right now the question is exported. Just save the file. Okay, save. File is saved now. Just go to here, and where in the downloads, just check it. Now question is downloaded. right? If you want to change a file name also, no issue. You can, if you want to change a file name, you can change it. No, not a problem. Suppose I'm changing the file Spring 2020 question bank, just I'm changed. Okay, now go there. Now just for in the Moodle, now continue. Now aware in the, this is the previous semester, now job done. Now go to the current semester. Now you go to the dashboard, right? Go to the current in progress, go to this in progress current course. This current course only we are going to transfer the we are going to import the file. Just go to the gear symbol, more, go down, there is import operation, press the import. Now choose the same Moodle XML format, because we chose the Moodle XML before while exporting, but here in the import also we need to use the same format. Okay, choose the file, browse, and where, see in the download, this is the file we are download, open it and upload the file. If you want to give the save as, and whatever name is you are giving here, the same name will be appeared into the site. Just upload this file, just wait for a minute, and immediately the file will be imported from your downloads. Okay, once see that file, now import it. Now file is ready. How many questions? There are 13 questions was there. Now the same questions download here, continue, and go and check the category. See category, how many categories are already, question bank 25 is there, summer is there. Now the new one is added into your category, spring 2020 question bank, 13 questions there. See the questions, and where it is added, it is also, it's a by default it is there. It is a different, now it's not, this is the already you have the one question bank for this semester. Now one more is question bank is added. Okay, if you want to change this question bank also under this category, you can change it. That's very easy. Now just choose this category. Now there are 13 questions are there. Just select all, just press this one. Now all are selected. Now where you want to change it to this question bank. Now move to question bank and move to, that's all. Just go there. Now how many questions are there? Total 38 questions are there in the question bank. In this question bank, now 0, nothing is there. If you see here, category, go to category, see here 0 question is there. Now you can, now question bank already there are 26, now 13, so total so already is a 25, now 13, total 38 is there. Okay, now if you want to delete this one, if you want to delete it, otherwise keep it the same. You can keep again the 20, if you want to keep the same, you don't want to transfer, just keep the same. Okay, now how to add this one? Again go back to your semester, create the quiz. Okay, now already I have created one. Just go to the quiz, and I think already something is a better to, we'll go for the new one. Okay, quiz. Okay, now just I'm adding quiz 2. I mean these are already taken. Now going here, quiz 2 and edit quiz. Now add, and now from the question bank, now system will ask where you want to add. Now you can choose it either from here or from there, where you want to add. Now you need to choose it, and even same time you can choose it for the 2, right? And you can choose this one, and there are 38 questions is there, right? There are 38 questions are there. Choose it, or you can already we can transfer. Otherwise this question also there, in the same time you can transfer the questions to either this category or that category. Where you want, you can transfer the file from the different category. So now you are accumulating the questions. So every semester you are preparing the question bank. We don't want to prepare the question bank in that quiz wise. Prepare the question bank, and the question bank only we need to use it for the 111. So it's a normal procedure. Just choose the question and transfer the file. Okay, just go to transfer the file. Now questions will be added one by one into your quiz. So this is the way. Just transfer the file from the previous semester to current semester. Okay, and this will be very useful for you, and it will minimize your work to prepare the question again and again and again. Okay, so if you have any doubts at any time, please let me know. I am ready to solve your doubts, and send an email to elearning@masscall.edu.om. I'm ready to explain for you. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.